Hello children, I hope you all are studying at home. Remember to wash your hand for 20 seconds and be happy. Today I will be teaching you fill in the boxes. Parents, please remember that teach the children how to read the heading with spellings. F-I-L-L, fill. I-N, in. T-H-E, the. B-O-X-E-S, boxes. Fill in the boxes. You have to learn to read this so that when you are answering your question paper, you are able to do the question paper, read it and do the answers by yourself. You don't need anybody's help. Now, what is the meaning of fill? Fill means to write in a blank space. Here, fill in the boxes. I have to fill what? Boxes. Here there are boxes. These are called boxes. Now, in these boxes, I have to fill one letter. A, B, C, D, E, F, you know. A is one letter. I is one letter. Z is one letter. In that way, you just have to fill in one letter. You have to fill in one letter. So now, to fill in one letter, you have to put in such a letter that it makes a complete word. Now, what letters do I have over here? T. After that T, I have put a box. Then is N. Now, I have to put in such a letter here so that it becomes a word. Here I will be putting I. You can put any other letter over there. Okay, here I have put I. Now what does this become? If I say the full spelling, it will become T-I-N. This becomes tin. Here you can fill in E. If I write E, suppose I rub this out. And one of you will tell me, Miss, no, write E. If I write E, this is also correct. But this has to make sense. So here if I put an E, this becomes T-E-N, 10. So I hope you've understood this. You need to put one letter to make or form a word. I keep it to T-E-N, 10. Next, M, box, N. This is the blank space or the box. Here I have to fill in one letter. What is that letter? I will use the first letter A. What did this become? Read it. M-A-N. Man. It has become M-A-N. Man. Now, I come to the next letter. L. Box. G. Here I have to fill in one letter. Here I am going to fill in O. What did this become? L, O, G, log. In name the picture also you have come to this word. It is log. Now here, if P, box, N. If I put an I, it becomes P-I-N, pin. See, I am putting an I. This becomes P-I-N, pin. I'll rub this out. Now, if I write E, what will this become? P-E-N, pen. So, both are correct. P-I-N, pin or P-E-N, pen. Now, next, see over here, L, box, G. Now this and this is the same word. But here I have put an O and here I would like to put an E. Here I made this log, L-O-G, log. But here if I read this L-E-G, leg. This becomes leg if I put an E in between. Next I have H, box, N. What will this become? I am going to put an E. Now read this. H, E, N, hen. This becomes hen. The next word is C, box, P. I can make this a cap, C-A-P, cap. I can make this C-U-P, cup. So, I will write U, C-U-P, cup. Now, the last word, what do I have over here? B, box, M. Now, here also you can put any letter, but it should form a proper word. For example, if I write I, this becomes B-I-N, bin. Bin means a dustbin where you throw waste. B-I-N, bin is one word. If suppose another child makes this U, this also makes a word. This can also become B-U-N, bun. Bun means it's sort of a bread which you eat. So this has become B-U-N, bun. Now again I would like to read this for you. Pay attention. Fill in the boxes. These are the boxes. You have to fill in the letters. First one is T-E-N, 10. Here I can put I, which will become T-I-N, 10 also. It can be T-E-N, 10 also. Next, M-A-N, man. L-O-G, log. P-E-N, pen. L-E-G, leg. H-E-N, hen. C-U-P, cup. B-U-N, bun. So, children, I hope you've understood this. Parents, please help the children at home. And remember to go through this 2 times at least so that you can understand what I have taught. Please complete your copy work also, which we have given you, and keep it ready. Thank you.